Hey internet, so the code is in the pinned comment. It's also in the description for the GitHub. So this is an interactive flowchart just using if and else statements. This is my first time using a data structure as a dictionary. So I use the dictionary to save my decisions. And I've got two windows open. So let me just show you. It's better to show, not tell. Alright, so as you can see, I've got two windows open. That's what I mean by the Tinker windows. I should be a bit more specific. So this is a manual decision tree, not a machine learning decision tree. So just to clarify that. In this instance, this is just a flowchart to pick or wish for like a character in a gacha game. So the questions don't really matter. You can just rename the questions if you're planning to use this interactive flowchart. So alright, so wishing flowchart. So the question begins, are they an archon? So like the leader of the nation. Usually an archons in the game are powerful. So let's say no. And do they look cool? Probably not. So generally it comes down to, do they look cool and are they strong? So let's say they are strong, for example. Do you like their playstyle? Sure. And then it'll be like, proceed to wishing. So this message does not appear in the decision tree because this is part of the message box. However, it does record the decisions, as you can see. Alright, so that is my Python code for the interactive flowchart. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications, leave a comment below if you thought this was interesting or helpful. Until next time, see ya.